Alright folks, just finished doing the South video here. We're at Fan Expo Canada. We are now in the hallway. I'm just going to walk you through here where they've got a bunch of different displays. And some of the cool costumes here as well. People are just hanging out. Before I head to the North building. And depending on how long this video is going to be, I might make a separate video there. Oh, that's pretty cool. Free cosplay per player. It's kind of them. Oh, these guys are cool. Oh, wow, look at that. 501st Legion. That's pretty cool. That's cool. You could ride on that. Got some eats here. We just came from Fanatics Fest. Not as good here, to be quite frank and honest, but you know, you work with what you can, right? There's R2 and the other guy. Some raffle here. Oh. There's what's his name? And the laughing guy. I like that guy. It's hilarious. Jabba the Hutt, that's it, sorry. I don't know what the little guy's name is. Jabba's Palace. Society for Creative. Living Medieval History. That's pretty cool. Pre-purchase merchandise pickup. Let's go check out some of those exclusives. Sorry, man. Let's see. You got some from the previous. Oh, I still got those McFarlane covers. Interesting. It's interesting because I remember, well, it's a difference obviously with being at Fanatics Fest with the Chrome boxes. It's pretty cool. And the Big Apple refractors and the Cactus Jack boxes. Here, those exclusive covers definitely don't carry the same weight. So, alright, let's see what we got back here. The Ontario Ghostbusters. Stay Puft. Marshmallow Man. That's cool. CN Tower. Harry Potter. there's a Dalek that's freaking out somewhere. Oh, I think that's where it's coming from. There's a Dalek. It's a VIP lounge. Oh, there's gaming here. That's pretty cool. There's another lounge. No, all things considered, it's pretty early in this this convention. There's a lot of people in the lounges already. Klingon Salt Gate. Interesting. That's Hall G in there. So that's where Artist Alley is.
That's what you're starting to see?
That's pretty cool.
That's probably good if I walk that way.
Alright guys, we're gonna take you up now, one level up. There's some cool vehicles that I want to check out. So Fan Expo, yeah, can't go up these elevators. You gotta go up to the far ones. And then you know what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a separate video for North. I don't want to kind of like force people to watch longer than they need to. I know these can be long. My South video I think is like almost an hour. There's so much to see in it, and you know, and even then I didn't get everything. There's your exclusives line. Like I said, not as crazy as before because no, unlike the Fanatics Fest, there's nothing really necessary to quote unquote flip. They've got stuff from, you know, many cons ago that people thought they could flip, but they, in the end, couldn't. So here we go. There's a kid zone here. I'm not gonna go in there. We've got these breakout rooms down here. Got like some figurines in there. South Cafe. Okay. Sorry, folks. It's not what I wanted to show you. It's coming up with is what I wanted to show you. See, so they don't let you go down or go up. So I'm gonna enter there to get to north after. Well, actually, you know what? I'm gonna go up here because it's one more level up. This is where these vehicles are. See if you can catch any cool costumes. Alright, so they got the exclusives over there. There we go. This is what I was looking for. So I guess you can sign that. Want to take a picture in the machine? It's 20 bucks. Just keep that in mind, parents. You want to come down? The Jurassic one? Jurassic Park vehicle? Oh, sorry. Deadpool Wolverine. Sorry. It's not on. Kit for hire. Very cool. Alright folks, I think I'm going to end this one, but I will put my going to my north video now. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Bye bye.